In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Sheets to an image format such as JPG, JPEG, or PNG using the new update from August 2022. Now, exporting a Google Sheet directly to an image format isn't as straightforward as you might imagine. Instead, we'll be using a reliable method that involves converting your sheet to a PDF first, and then transforming that PDF into an image. Let's dive into the detailed steps to make this happen. First, we'll begin by opening the Google Sheet that you'd like to convert into an image. If it's already open, wonderful. You're already halfway there for this first part. Now, with the sheet open, you'll want to move your cursor to the top left of the window and click on the File option in the menu bar. As you navigate to this part, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. This menu holds the key to beginning our conversion process. Next, from this drop-down menu, look for and select Download. This is where you're going to specify the format you wish to download your Google Sheet in. Among the various options available, you'll select PDF. While you might be wondering why we're downloading a PDF when our final goal is an image, don't worry, this is just an intermediary step. Once you've clicked on PDF, a new dialog box should pop up. Here, you'll want to make any adjustments necessary for the PDF settings, but usually, the default settings are more than adequate for most needs. Now, go ahead and click Export. Your Google Sheet will now be downloaded as a PDF file. At this point, you've got the document ready to be converted into your desired image format. Now that your sheet is in PDF form, the next step involves using a PDF to JPG converter tool. There are countless options online, but for today's tutorial, I recommend a user-friendly and reliable tool, ilovepdf.com. Head over to ilovepdf.com and look for the PDF to JPG converter option. Click on that to get started. Once you're on the PDF to JPG page, you'll see an option to select PDF file. Click on it, and then upload the PDF file we just downloaded. After your document has been uploaded, the next step is to hit Convert to JPG. This step will initiate the transformation of your PDF into a JPG image. The conversion process is usually quite rapid and painless, and just like that, you now have a JPG image of your Google Sheet. You can view the converted file directly from the website, and if you're satisfied with the result, go ahead and download it to your device. This method offers a clear and crisp image of your Google Sheet, and with the convenience of online converter tools, it's a quick and efficient way to get your sheets into the image format you need. And there you have it, a straightforward way to convert Google Sheets to images using readily available tools, ensuring that your data remains as accessible and shareable as ever.